Hi, in this video I'll teach you how to fix you'll need to provide administration permission to delete this folder. So what we need to do is we need to head over and right click on this folder, click on properties, then click on security right here. Now once you're in here, what you need to do is, as you can see, click on this advanced right here, and in here you can see the people or the principals that have access on this thing right here. Now what we need to do is we need to click this change right here, and then from in here just click on advanced, and then from in here just click on find now. Then from in this list right here just click on administrators. Then after you have clicked on that, it will be added right here, so you click on OK right there. Then as you can see, it will be added on this thing right here. So you can also click on this replace owner on subcontainers and folder, and then click on this right here. Then after you have done that, just click on apply and make sure to click on yes right here. So as you can see, there's a Windows security. If you have just taken ownership of this object, you will need to close and or open this object's properties. So click on OK. Then as you can see right here, let's close that. And then let's actually click on this right here again and click on properties, click on security. Then as you can see, we have been added to this thing right here and we'll have full controls for this. So let's try to close this and then right click on this again, click on delete, then it's been successfully deleted. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix you'll need to provide administrator permission on this folder to delete it. So that's the whole process. Just comment and subscribe. Thanks.